at 7 feet to the left and to the right para I can transfer my positive 6 here. I mean negative 3 inches. I will transfer it here at 7 feet high. And my positive 6 here, I will transfer it here. So these are the 2 points, ito and ito. I first made a horizontal line through 7.
So, sir, so on both sides, 7 ang ano. Okay.
Okay. So we already have the HML location of your corners. Just need to plot these locations. So first, I need to banish na. So these points here, I'll banish. Negative 3 at 7 feet high, I will vanish.
So, parang wala lang yun.
Hindi mo na nakikita.
Parang may, yeah, nag-overlap.
Ayan, halos, ayan siya. And then your vanishing line, vanish your positive 6 at 7 feet high. Positive 6 at 7 feet high. Vanish. Okay. Now let's plot yung coordinates along the depth of the room. So this one, let's just plot it at 2.5 into the 2.5 deep into the room. This one, let's put it at 3 feet 9 inches or 3 feet 3/4 into the room. This one will be at 5 feet and a half deep into the room. So just transfer those locations. 2 feet and a half. So we need 2 feet and a half. So I'm crossing out 2 going to 3 para its intersection with my 6 inches here. This is my 2 feet and a half deep into the room. Diba? I'll transfer that. I will transfer that on the left to the left wall. So nearest slanting line is this.
Yeah. Para siyang wall.
Yeah.
Pero you can
Oh no,
make it
it's
into a
6
head
feet.
wall. 6 feet.
Yeah, 6
So
feet.
you're 2 feet.
tall.
6 feet tall, yes, yes, yes.
2 feet 5 inches deep in 2 feet 6 inches deep into the room. I'll transfer it. I need this line to connect to my inner corner of the accordion which is positive 6. So intersection with positive 6.
Yung
Okay, so I got this na.
Yeah.
Got that na. Next step is this one. Yung next balik niya is at 3 feet 9 inches. So we need to get 9 inches or 3/4 of a foot. So on your BML, get 3/4 of a foot, which is 1, 2, 3. So your 9 inches. Vanish. Vanish 9 inches. And then diagonal to 3 going to 4. 3 going to 4.
Sumasabit ang siya ko.
Diagonal from 3 going to 4. Intersection of that diagonal with your 9 inches vanishing line, which is this. 9 inches diagonal vanishing line. So this is your 9 feet and this is your 3 feet 9 inches deep into the room. I will transfer it to the left side, make it intersect with which one? Yung negative 3 inches ko, the vanishing line. So nearest slanting line, actually nearest to this is yung top. So top, this one, this slanting line. Hindi umabot. Walang sa. So 3 feet 9 inches deep into the room. I'll transfer it to the left side, 3 feet 9 inches into the room, make it intersect with my vanishing line at negative 3. Diba? So this, I'm intersecting it with my vanishing line at negative 3, which is this. Okay, so I got this point na. Next is this. Next step I need to get into the room in the room is 5 feet 6 inches. So I have 5, I'll cross out the grid, 5 going 6. 5 going 6. Intersection with that diagonal with your 6 inches vanishing line. This is your 5 feet 6 inches deep into the room. Transfer it to the left side. This time yung that horizontal line, I'll make it intersect with 5 feet 6 deep into the room. I'll make it intersect with my vanishing line at 6 inches, positive 6 inches each of them.
Parang gusto kabisado with the left. Pag right, parang, ha? Is it
Nearest-
driving?
Nearest slanted line, 5 feet 6 inches into the room. I'll make it intersect with my positive 6 inch ML. Positive 6 inch ML is this. Okay, so I got this now. And then this is already this intersection of your negative 3 and your
Sir, ano ba talaga, sir? Sir, then, breathe
This one.
in, breathe out, sir, sandali ba? Sir, hindi ko naman.
so already this. This last point here is already this intersection of your negative 3 vanishing line and your
Sir, but it doesn't annoy you that we have like 3 cameras focused on your hands?
ayan, so you have
Mamaya
this
yung
na.
face niya.
You have 4 corners na. So connect the
Meron tayong
points.
host. Magandang boses.
Connect the points.
Diba? Gwapo pa.
You still have to do the accordion.
Sir, naghahanap ka ng host.
Sir is blushing na.
Sir, host. Oh, diba?
Para saan?
Basta, makikita yung ilo-launch namin siya sa ABS-CBN tsaka sa cable. Sir, gusto mo ng newscaster or ano?
Para saan?
Basta kahit ano. Doon mo makikilala mga emperors, princess, mga dignitaries. Gagawin ka naman host.
Okay, so you got the 1, 2, 3, 4 points along the floor, di ba? You only need to extend those vertically. Minding na itong dalawang to that are in the inner side of the room, intersect it with the vanishing line we did at 7 feet high. Positive 6, which is where? Ito yun, di ba? Positive 6 vanishing line is this. So, focus on
Sir,
that line
dalawang
here.
vanishing lines mo dyan?
Negative 3 and positive 6 vanishing lines at height of 7 feet. Okay, so let's focus first on these corners here. Kasi I need to intersect the vertical lines that I will draw from these points. I will intersect it with the vanishing line that originated from here. 7 feet at positive 6 inches. So, ito lang siya. This, I'll connect it to positive 6 vanishing line. Yun siya. This one, vertical line and connect it to the vanishing line at positive 6.
Ano kaya dyan yung linya yun?
Ayun siya, yun.
Kailangan ko lang mag-define glass, sir.
Ayun siya.
Nice yan.
Malapit na. 2 more points. Are actually, you don't need to do this na. Just this one.
You taught me that last term.
This
Diba,
point,
yung perspective
you need to
mo?
draw a vertical line and terminate it at the vanishing line at negative 3. So where is that? This is your negative 3.
Alala ko si Bushra. Hindi namin
And then
makita.
this is your vanishing line, di ba? So,
Diyos ko.
vertical
Hindi
line.
gagawin ko yan red. sir,
Terminate
dapat.
it at here.
Ang liit, no?
Oo,
Hindi
hindi mo
siya
makikita
makikita yung
kahit
top.
sabihin.
Ayan. Ito siya. This is your vanishing line
Kasi yung
originating
ano,
at
yung
negative 3.
tawag dito, horizon line is really high.
Okay?
Sir, ulitin mo, gamitin mo.
And then,
red.
this point here, you just have to extend this. Here, yun na siya. So this is the point. Nakikita niyo na ba yung accordion door?
Yes.
Yes. So, connect these points lang. This, kasi diba this one is the front edge. Connect it to this edge.
So that's the normal accordion door that is used
This
in
is
the
just-
offices, yung mga ganyan?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Maliit lang yung
And then this edge here is this edge here at the top. This is this. So connect. Okay.
So, binanish mo yun.
Hindi yun. Connect the dots na tayo. We're connecting the dots now. Because lahat yun pinlot natin yung coordinate. Okay.
Mas konti lang. Ano lang to eh. 4 lang siya yung last time yata 6.
Yan. Okay. And then the other edge you don't actually need to show, pero it's this kasi it's hidden na.
Mas malalaki siya.
Hindi siya.
So, may sakit ka ring perfectionist na OC.
Hindi naman. You need to know how to draw it. In case you need to draw it. Okay. Accordion door.
Pardon.
Done.
Basta yan ang kwarto niya.